Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on Twitter, GoPro X, and CHK. So Twitter bulls breaking out, nice little cup and handle pattern, and that's the breakout with high bull volume. The signal was literally in the first minute of trading when we broke the high of the inside bar at 1778, and then we just took out all these resistances, and now we are heading to higher highs. We did reject from the upper Bollinger Band of 1846. The high of today was 1866. That's a new resistance level to be watching, but we're back to filling this gap with a lack of resistance. It's just the upper Bollinger Band containing the price. So 1927 is the resistance to be watching after 1866, and we'll keep updating the upper Bollinger Band day by day to see where that level stands. But bulls couldn't have hoped for a better day, and this is really helping the weekly chart look better, as the 100-week resistance was really tough. But again, we were watching the potential for the cup and handle pattern. Inside bar, we were looking for the bull break, and we got it certainly more than the bulls were anticipating, and pretty much everything they could have hoped for. So GoPro on the daily is an inside bar, still bearish, still being rejected by the exponential resistance. A break of 947 is bearish, a break of 969 is bullish, and we are looking at further downside to fill this gap. But even if we do see a bull break, plenty of resistance levels to watch and a potential bearish entry opportunity, but an inside bar to be watching, just like Twitter was today. GoPro on the weekly, you can see we're going to form a higher low, more likely than not, compared to 867, unless more bad news comes out. Lots of support here with moving averages at 911 and 913. And if we see a bear break on the inside bar on the daily, we will be looking down at those levels. And we have daily supports down there as well. So there's a good amount of support in the low $9 range. So it all depends on how we break tomorrow as to where we are headed with momentum into next week. X on the daily time frame, bulls couldn't have asked for better follow through from the bullish reversal candlestick, and our higher low has now clearly been established at 24.45. Resistance where we rejected was 25.95. You can see an upper wick there. That upper wick is associated with the market pulling back with a bunch of weakness at the end of the day. We were watching a ton of names with a bunch of strength holding strong all afternoon, and then once that pullback started, a lot of individual names were affected by it, and it looks like X was as well. So the range to be watching is 24.45 support, 25.95 resistance, and we will see where we head from here. Weekly time frame, again, that tightening pattern with our high, low, lower high, higher low, and expecting a break of this tightening weekly pattern within the next 2 weeks. CHK on the daily, inside bar. So it's an inside bar kind of day, and we'll be watching for a break of 378 for the bears or a break of 393 for the bulls. The bears definitely have momentum overall. The fact that the bulls could not confirm this bullish reversal hammer, the fact that we had a bullish reaction to natural gas and didn't really help, the bears have momentum still. So watching to see which direction we break on this inside bar, and the weekly time frame has to form a higher low compared to 355, which I do anticipate they will do, and I will be looking for a potential bottom fishing play as we approach that support if we do see a bear break of this inside bar. That's what we've got heading into tomorrow. Plenty of inside bars to be watching, and Twitter is a nice example. They obviously don't always work out this well, but a nice example of the signal and the follow-through that we can have by looking at these inside bars. Appreciate you watching. Have a great night.